Attention parents, this vlog contains frequent use of the F word, which I have not bleeped, so do what you gotta do. Vlog, 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 gonna go to Rampage, vloggity vlog, leaving for Rampage. I am going to Rotor Riot Rampage. This is it, I am hitting the road, but before I do, coffee.
It definitely looks more intimidating in real person, though.
I'm used to flying stuff like this all the time.
Power loops are overrated because a power loop is you go through the gap, then you do your loop, and then you go through the gap again.
Yeah.
It's easy to cheat those and just give yourself lots of time to set it up.
Right.
Yeah.
So you really just went through the gap again. Yeah.
Really hard power loops are where you enter the gap inverted.
It shouldn't even be called a power loop.
Right.
It's just a loop.
Chad Capper, David Windestall, Mr. Steele.
Marry David, because I see us doing great together. I've already thought about this a lot.
David is a catch. He is a catch.
God, Capper or Steele for banging?
Oh, that's a no-brainer for me.
Oh, I feel like Chad would respect you after. Okay, Capper for banging, because Steele would not call you back the next day. Not that I want to kill Steele or anything, it's that I have feelings.
No, I understand.
And I want to be called back.
It
so.
forces you to have hard decisions. I get that.
Yeah, okay, so marry David, because we have a wonderful life together, as I've imagined 1,000 times. Bang Capper, because you call me back. And kill Steele, just because you never call me back the next day, Steele. You're dick.
Awesome.
Remember that time? Never mind.
We're in a very spooky. We gotta keep that out of the light. We're in a very from under.
Yeah,
here.
it's scarier here.
We're in a spooky
Location. Oh, we gotta get on the same page.
We're in a
spooky location.
Okay, here we go. Chad Capper, David Windestall, Mr. Steele.
Shit. So I'd fuck Mr. Steele.
Wow, right off the bat, no thought, no hesitation.
I would marry David Windestall. No, wait. God, I have to kill one of them.
Yeah.
No, I would kill Mr. Steele, fuck David Windestall, and marry Chad Capper.
Wow. Want to talk through your logic there?
No, not at all.
Chad Nowak,
God damn it.
Sharpoo, and Mr. Steele, the three original Rotor Riot pilots.
Nice. Probably kill Nowak to put him out of his misery.
Fuck Sharpoo because, I mean, he gets to brag about that forever. And I'd marry Steele because even though he's a pain in the ass, like, you know, he'd be someone I could fly with for a long time and stuff, you know. Like, and marriages are meant to be miserable, so I'd just rather accept it and, you know.
The Drib, Wild Willie, or Min-Chan Kim?
Oh no. Okay. I would kill Min-Chan so I can be the fastest.
I knew that what you were gonna say.
Right.
That was a softball.
And then it's Kevin and Nick.
No, it's Willie
Willie.
or
and
Drib.
Oh, and
Drew.
Drew.
Yeah.
I feel like Drew would be too emotional, so I wouldn't marry Drew. I don't want to have sex with him either, but I would marry Wild Willie because I think that'd be really fun.
To live with him.
Right?
Nice.
I think that'd just be awesome.
That means you have to have sex with Drew, though.
I know, that's the downside.
What do you think that's gonna be like?
I don't think it's gonna be very fun. I feel like out of all people in bed, he'd be the weirdest. You'd be like,
Just some people walking in the dark.
right, yeah.
Best vlog ever.
Yeah.
Subscribe to TAC.
Can't
Like-
tell, but I'm naked.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
To TAC FPV. TAQ.
TAC FPV. TAC. Have you played the game Fuck, Marry, Kill? Do you know that game?